ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹೋದರರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಕೆಇಪಿ ತಂಡದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವು ನವೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 31 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ.
Hi everyone, my name is Avinash. I am from the Bangalore church. I'm actually from a very traditional family background, Christian family background. My dad is a pastor. I went to church on Sundays, I went to VBS, I went to Sunday school, and I thought I was the most perfect Christian ever by doing all these right things. I never really had a relationship with God. I'm so grateful that people studied the Bible with me. It all started when I was in 9th standard. I met Akash, we were classmates, but then from 9th to 12th we were together, but I actually studied the Bible only in 12th. I actually went to swamp camp, which I could not afford. My family supported me, and I was thinking, why would the family support me? 5,000 rupees was a huge amount, and I thought like there must be something really important about this. But then when I went to swamp camp, I was so inspired. I met so many people who became disciples and from similar family backgrounds. I was able to connect. I was able to get clarity on some of the questions, my fears. I still remember there was a starlit devotion where I was thinking about my fears, and God really worked His way there. I came back, I studied the Bible. My family was not very happy about it. I got baptized. The day I got baptized, even my family, my mom, she was also so inspired, and she kind of felt, that okay, I'm not doing something wrong. Until then, there was always that question. A year later, my younger brother also became a disciple. He was reached out to, and I felt like God has been so amazing to our family. I'm so grateful that God used so many people to study the Bible with me, to teach me the truth, and even the acts of kindness and giving, they really impacted my life in small ways, but those things had a huge impact on me.
ನಾನು ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಉದಾರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಣ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎರಡನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ತಾಯಿ ಸಭೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ನಾವು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ 1ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಭಾನುವಾರದಂದು ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡೋಣ. ಮೂರನೆಯದಾಗಿ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಸಭೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸೋಣ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಿಷನ್ ಸೇವೆಯು ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.